Samsung might be shaking up the Galaxy S series lineup in a big way next year. And honestly, this could change how we think about their flagship phones altogether. Since 2021, Samsung's flagship Galaxy S series has always had three devices: the base model, the Plus, and the Ultra. But this year, with the Galaxy S25, we also got a fourth phone, the Galaxy S25 Edge. Well, hold on to your seats, because a new leak suggests that the upcoming Galaxy S26 series could ditch the Plus model altogether. And not just that. Samsung might even be replacing the base variant with a brand new Pro model. This juicy info comes from the folks over at Android Authority, who dug into an internal build of Samsung's One UI 8.0. What they found is pretty telling. They discovered three devices listed M1, M2, and M3, which correspond to Galaxy S26 Pro, Galaxy S26 Edge, and Galaxy S26 Ultra. Yep, no mention of the regular Galaxy S26 or the Plus model at all. This is the first solid proof that Samsung is seriously considering rebranding its flagship lineup. Now we don't know yet if moving from a base S26 to an S26 Pro will mean extra features, better hardware, or just a fancier name. But if history is anything to go by, it could also mean higher starting prices. For context, the Galaxy S24 lineup was codenamed Eureka, E1, E2, E3 for base, Plus, and Ultra, and the S25 series was Paradigm, P1, P2, P3. Early reports claimed that the Galaxy S26 would be New Paradigm, NP1, NP2, and P3, but this leak now shows the codename starting with M. The Galaxy S26 lineup is still about 6 months away, so plans could change. But given how early and consistent these leaks have been, it looks like Samsung is already deep into this revamp. So, what do you guys think? Would you be happy to see the Galaxy S26 Pro replacing the base model, or do you think this is just Samsung's way of hiking up the price? Drop your thoughts down below in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Until next time, take care.